Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, in this video, I'm going to share how to score full marks in reasoning in SBI Clerk Prelims Examination 2021. So friends, as we know that the SBI Clerk waiting list is out and in upcoming months SBI Clerk notification is going to happen. So friends, in this video, I'm going to share my strategy. So how can you score full marks in reasoning in SBI Clerk Prelims examinations for beginners? So you can follow this strategy and preparation resources for this upcoming examination. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, if you are new in my channel, so please do like, subscribe and share with your friends to get upcoming in banking informations update. So friends, let's start the video. So friends, as we know that in reasoning sections, puzzle and seating arrangement play a very important role and their weightages are also very high, that is 15 to 20 marks are asked in these examinations and you have to practice a lot so that you can gain good marks in these sections. So puzzles and seating arrangement, and you have to daily practice 5 seating arrangements and 5 puzzles for these examinations. In puzzle sections, you have to practice each topic like month puzzles, box puzzle, linear puzzles, triangular puzzle. Means I'm going to say that you have to prepare each types of puzzles and you have to familiar with each types of puzzle, and you have to practice daily 10 puzzles and sitting arrangements so that you have nothing to hesitate in examinations and worry about these types of puzzle, because many candidates have a phobia of puzzles and sitting arrangement. So for you have to just take command on this topic so that you get high marks and crack the SBI Clerk prelims examinations very easily. After that, one more query about these students, how can we prepare puzzles and sitting arrangements if we are new in this banking examinations field and we don't know how to solve this puzzle. So you can also use different types of your channels, but I recommend you can follow 1000 series puzzle of Unacademy. In this 1000 puzzles, you can familiar with all types of puzzle and you also know that how to solve puzzles and sitting arrangement in a frame mode. So you can watch these videos. So you can also you can also see the videos of Radhe sir or any other educator whom you want to follow. So friends, you have to daily follow this strategy. After that, puzzles and sitting arrangement, you have to focus on miscellaneous chapter, because miscellaneous chapter was also very important if you are new or well beginners in this banking examinations. So first of all, you have to take command on these chapters because these chapters are very easy, and once you get familiar with these topics, you can easily score 15 to 20 marks in Clerk prelims examinations. But one thing you have to understand that in recent time some patterns are changed in these type of topics like syllogism. In silo, in these days, some new type of questions are asked like only few. In every examinations of 2019-20, we observe these types of questions. So you have to daily practice 5 questions on these topics. You have to also prepare 5 questions on inequality daily so that your speed and accuracy is going to well after you sitting the examinations. The next one is coding and decoding. In prelim examinations, Chinese coding are asked, which are very easy. So you have to practice daily 5 questions on coding and decoding. You can also prepare new pattern of coding and decoding, so that this will be very beneficial for the mains examinations. Next one is blood relations and directions question. These questions are very easy, and you have to practice daily these types of questions, so that you have good command on these types of questions, and you can get easily good scores in the SBI clerk prelims examinations. The next one is alpha numeric test. You have to daily practice 5 questions on alpha numeric test, and these are the very easy questions. You have to practice a lot in this miscellaneous topic, so that you can gain full marks 35 by 35 in reasoning sections. Along this, you have to practice one mock set daily, and practice at least 1 hour on puzzles and sitting arrangements. You can follow Ankush sir video, so that you can have a good command in these sections, puzzles and sitting arrangement, and 1 hour on miscellaneous topic. You can also follow daily quizzes of Adda, Olive Board, etc., so that you can score good marks in these sections. So this is the whole strategy video. Hope friends you like this video in a very simple way. So friends, if you are new in my channel, so if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share my channel to your friend, so that those friends who are needy of this upcoming video examinations strategy, so they can follow my strategy and get a good chance to grab a seat in the examination. So hope friends you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for upcoming videos, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.